Still nice on ice, baby. What up, y'all? It's your man Jermaine, Showtime Stone, aka the Wolf of Wine. Y'all already know I love pairing wine and food, so I'm gonna put y'all on the game and how I do what I do like I'm doing it for TV. Last time, we talked Lambrusco and Riunite history. Now I'm gonna use this Riunite to show you how to pair wine with food. Now there are two main ways you can do this. You can go with a parallel pairing or a contrast pairing. Now with these joints right here, I got enough range to cover both. A contrast pairing is when wine and food balance each other out. And Lambrusco has enough structure to do that. Acidity, tannin, alcohol, sweetness. And in this case, Lambrusco has enough bubbles to do that too. Put that together and you have enough structure in your glass to stand up to any bold flavors without being overpowered. So you're able to enjoy the best of both worlds. With pizza, those bubbles are sliced through the cheese and the sauce while still keeping every bite fresh. With ribs or jerk chicken, sweetness quells the spice while structure allows you to enjoy the fruit from the wine while still standing up to strong flavors and not being overpowered. That's contrast. The wine and food meeting in the middle so you get the best of both worlds. Now parallel pairing is the opposite. It's when wine and food run side by side, matching flavors and textures. For this, let me switch to some Moscato. Moscato's sweet, fruity, floral vibe is a perfect match for cheesecake. The richness and creaminess of the cake is lifted by that natural acidity of the Moscato, while the sweetness in the wine and the sweetness in the dish mirror one another. That's a parallel pairing. Sweet with sweet, soft with soft, building harmony instead of tension. You either go for contrast like Lambrusco, helping you cool down spice or deal with fat, or parallel like Moscato, riding with dessert. Pairing isn't rocket science. Either way, Riunite got you on both. Chill it, pour it, share it, whatever you doing, trust me. Still nice on ice, baby.